Hey guys, this is Juan with Untitled Christmas Light, and I'm going to show you how to install a house today. First, we have to make sure that we got all our materials, and now that we have all our materials, we're gonna have to knock on the customer doors. We have to make sure that this is the right house. Let's see what happens. Hello sir, how you doing? I'm Juan with Untitled Christmas Light. We're gonna install the light today.
Okay.
I just want to make sure that this is the you call for pure white and red.
Yep, that's right. Yeah, we're excited, man.
Oh yeah, I'm too, sir.
Cool. Let me know when you're done.
I let you know, and you're gonna be so happy.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it. Now that we are on the right house, we're gonna put our signs. Make sure that you got with you 3 signs. First sign. Now we're gonna install our first sign facing this way. Our second sign is gonna be facing straight. Trump 2020. Now the third sign is gonna be facing this way. Now that we have our spool out, we're putting our bulbs in the sockets. Like I'm showing you right now. You grab your bulb, grab your socket, and screw it in there. And this is how you do it professionally. Now that we have our bulbs in the socket, I'm gonna show you how to put the clips on. This is a bi-directional clip provided exclusively from Untitled Christmas Lights. In this particular house, we have gutters and we have roof line. So what does that mean? In this case, if you got a gutter, you're gonna grab your clip, hope you can see it clearly, and you're gonna snap it in place. And this position is for gutters. So what you do is just look. If you're gonna start right here, you're gonna say, okay, this is how many I'm gonna need, and then you're gonna put it in this position for your gutter. Or you're gonna start a roof line, which is right there. You're gonna put it straight. I'll show you in a minute. You grab your bulb like this, you put it. This is for roof line. And the other one, snap it in place and 45 angle, and this is gonna work for your gutter. Okay guys, now we're gonna go on the house, but make sure to put the ladder, if it's possible, on the side of the house. That way you avoid to damage the gutter or peel the paint. Now we are on the roof, and since this is roof line, we got our clips in the straight position, and this is how you put it in the roof line. You grab your clip and you stick it under the shingle. And this is how you do it. Okay guys, now as you can see here, there's a gutter. So that means that you gotta flip your clip on 45 degrees, which is where it is, and you grab your bowl with the clip, and just put it down. Okay guys, as you can see here, we got this flashing right here. So what you do, take the clip off, flip the bulb down, in the same position as this, put it, and you snap it in there. That's how you do it on the flashing. Or you can use the clips, the clip that it's already on your socket, on your C9 socket, which is good too. You just do it like this, either or. Okay guys, as you can see in this house, we have red tips. You can see we got 3 red balls right on the top. The customer, he wants red tips, so now it's kind of hard to see it, but wait to see the picture at night. Okay guys, let me tell you, in this house we're gonna do the archway, we're gonna do windows, and I know you have a question on how you're gonna put the balls on the wall. So what we do is, we got our silicone gun or hot glue. What you do is you put the glue behind the socket and you hold it against the brick. You keep it for like 15 seconds at least. You keep it there and it's gonna stay there. Make sure do not put it over paint, over wood or stucco. Okay guys, the next thing that I want to let you know is when you're doing archway or windows, it's very important the spacing. So make sure you put your first ball right in the middle, in the center. That way you're gonna have a perfect spacing. At night, that's gonna be beautiful. Alright guys, now as you can see, we're doing the archway. I personally recommend when you're installing an archway, when you doing hot glue, put the socket without the ball because it's easier and it's somehow faster. And now we're gonna put the ball after we got the sockets glued to the wall. We put the ball. Make sure it's perfect, no crooked, perfect in place, and that's how we do it.
Wow! What's this?
This is the North Pole.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Where's the snow?
Hey! Kingdom Christmas Light Contractor Pack. Let me explain this to you. 1,000 feet spool socket wire C9. 2 bags of 50 connectors, 50 females and 50 males. 250 lamp core wire. 750 clips, bi-directional clips, the best on the market. Oh yes. And we have also 750 LED bulbs, very efficient. And you can pick the color you want. Kingdom Christmas Light Contractor Pack, only for $1,100. Give us a call, 346-291-4492.